Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Cherokee Specialist. So earlier I was in the middle of a video and I got cut off by a phone call. And so this is the Brinkley 2023 Model Z 2900. And we're in the process of replacing all the suspension components and installing a Roadmaster Comfort Ride kit to it. So Gino's got the axles down. It again is Friday, December 5th. And so he's going to start working on that. I don't think he'll by far have it done today because it's a pretty lengthy job, but everything's down and removed, and now he can start getting to prep for all the actual new suspension that's got to go on it. So anyway, stay tuned for more. I'll try to come back and get some more videos. And the last video I was just explaining different things about the previous suspension, and I was talking about some of the benefits about the Roadmaster kit. So check out our other videos on YouTube and you'll see those. And then also, if you haven't joined our Brinkley RV Owners Maintenance and Repair in the RV Shop with Dustin, I encourage you to do so. I think I'm not sure if I remember offhand because there's so many groups we have, but I think we're about 4,600-ish, something like that. But it's constantly growing. So anyways, if you have a Brinkley, we do factory warranty. That's what this one came in for, was some manufacturer warranty and a couple Goodwill warranty items, as well as a wheel bearing pack. That's how this all originally started. And we found on that wheel bearing pack that all 4 seals were completely blown out. Grease was slung everywhere, all over the brakes. So brakes were saturated, hubs were saturated. And then, of course, none of the wet bolts for the suspension were getting greased. And so the bushings were all shot as well. So that's when the owner went ahead and decided to elect to do a new suspension. What's also new about this is we didn't add it, but the owner added a Gen Y hitch to it. So if you are interested in doing a Gen Y hitch, give us a holler too. We do those all the time. Think that the combination of the Gen Y hitch, again, my opinion, right? So combination of the Gen Y hitch, only because I've seen all the facts, figures, and the documentation and all the little videos they put out with all the info, and the combination of the Roadmaster kit, it's gonna help this thing tremendously. One of the things I was mentioning in the video earlier when I was getting cut off by the phone call was that the slide outs, there's a friction. So they were sitting there rubbing, shaking on the rooms, vibrating. And when the room is in the closed position, all the way, and I'll use the bedroom one as an example, all the way around the flange where that seal makes contact here, so the bulb seals, where it was making contact there, it is frictioning, rubbing the rubber all the way up and around where the seals are setting place against it. So, and then he was getting rub marks in there on his floors from like these slide out sleds and stuff like that. And I just said, hey, all that shaking and vibration's not good for your slide out as well. So that's another benefit by that Roadmaster kit, will reduce the shaking, vibration, G-forces, going over stuff. I think it's, 65-75% of the coach. You have to go to their website to read all the details. But of course, it varies based off of what kind of units it is, so how heavy they are, what they're putting in them, how you're driving it, what kind of pin box you have, that kind of stuff. So anyway, stay tuned for more. And again, don't forget to join us on our Brinkley group. And we encourage you to post pictures, videos, upgrades that you're doing. If you're having problems with something, as time goes, I try to reply back and, give you my opinion or what's going on with it or how we can help, or, at least point you in the right direction. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, Cherokee Specialist. You guys have a great day.